Hey science explorers! Today, we're diving into the world of changes around us, learning how to easily tell apart reversible versus irreversible changes and physical versus chemical changes with super simple tips and loads of real-life examples. Let's make science easy and fun. Reversible versus irreversible changes. Tip 1. Check if you can get back the original form. Reversible change. The substance goes back to its original form. Examples: melting ice into water after freezing again into ice. Folding paper into unfolding it back. Inflating and deflating a balloon. Irreversible change. The substance changes permanently, can't get back its original form. Examples: burning paper gives turns to ash. Cooking an egg gives can't go back to raw egg. Cutting vegetables. Quick trick: if you can undo it gives reversible. If you can't undo it gives irreversible. 3 B's. Burning, bubbles, baking. Physical versus chemical changes. Tip 2. Look for new substances and energy changes. Physical change. No new substance is formed. Only appearance, size or state changes. Examples: breaking glass, dissolving sugar in water, stretching a rubber band. Chemical change. A new substance with different properties is formed. Often involves heat, light or gas release. Examples: rusting of iron, burning wood, baking a cake. Quick trick: no new substance gives physical change. New substance formed gives chemical change. So next time you see something change around you, use these quick tricks to figure out if it's reversible or irreversible, physical or chemical. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun science tips.